Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your progress on the CSR 2 game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you wish to reset your progress on the CSR 2 game and start the game from the very beginning, then first of all, go ahead and open up the game on your device. Once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can directly start your preferred race. Now, if you wish to reset your progress, then tap on the menu icon at the left side, which looks like an arrow key. This will now open up the menu, from which you can tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. From the gear icon page, scroll all the way down, and now you will see the delete my account option. You will need to tap on this and delete your currently set up account in order to delete all of your progress. Once you proceed with deleting your account by providing your confirmation, you will be logged out from your account. And once you are logged out, you will simply need to uninstall the CSR2 game once and then reinstall it once again. Once this process is completed, when you open up the game, you will be able to start from the very beginning. And now if you log in using the same account, this will create a brand new save file. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your progress on the CSR2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.